switch off the keyboard or not?
I have done.
Then who is playing it in this midnight?
Shut up, donkey.
Then do one thing. You go and switch off it. I will be here.
Hey, mental. Come, let's go. I think they have said correct only.
Is the spirits don't have any job rather than playing keyboard in this midnight? Come, we'll go and sleep.
He is a fearful man. It's listening. It's not fault. Hey, friend, what happened? Huh?
It's true, there is somebody is here. Yala.
Hey, this is not your God. Go.
In case of emergency, we can pray any God. Not only that, Jesus is very kind. He will save all religions.
Don't tell the stories. You leave here.
You leave from here. Our beloved Jesus, please save us. Hey, see that candle is
What
also
is
not
it? It's very
working.
dark.
Bro,
Huh?
you told so many times that is something over here. Now I believe that. Really, there are some spirits. So we should not think about anything. Immediately we have to go from here. Come, we will move.
Hey guys, can't you listen? In this flat there is a spirit.
Yes, man. Ghost.
My dear ghost.
Ghost? My dear
My
ghost.
dear ghost.
This is the ghost who disturbed your sleep yesterday night.
Exactly.
Who? Is this girl?
This is what your problem is.
Oh, this is the girl who died with ulceration.
What?
Yes, man. We saw this type of disease in some movie, no?
Alzheimer's.
Yes, you are right. I think she is died because of that. That's why she couldn't remember anything.
That I don't know. But we promised her that we'll help her. But how?
I already told everything to mom. She is also going to meet an astrologer. Whatever he is saying, we have to do accordingly, buddies.
Okay, what you have decided, you just go. I will not come there. There is no need that I should help her. I have so many years to live.
There won't be any problem. Be courageous.
No, not at all. Don't try to convince me. I am leaving right now. Are you coming with me or
No.
not?
I can't leave a person who is in danger. It is my character. Not only that, a real human being will not leave a person who is in a dangerous condition. So just you go.
So,
So that I'm not coming. If you want to go, go, man.
if you are alive, we will meet
Hey,
definitely.
okay.
Stop.
Go, man. Helping the dead persons. Get lost, man. Lift is not working also.
Brother, where are you going?
Oh, I have missed her.
Oh, you're not talking?
Sham is not there.
No. He likes you very much.
Oh, really?
Auntie,
Such a beautiful face here. Who is this?
My brother daughter, Shenbalam.
Oh.
Yesterday only she
Oh.
came. She will be here only, always.
I am also here
auntie,
only.
uncle is on the phone. Please come.
Yeah, go.
I got a call. Okay, brother. Somewhere you started, right?
No.
Okay.
I was just going
okay.
my home only.
We'll meet some other
Yeah.
time.
Oh, okay. La 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 la. Hey, cute boy. Humpty Dumpty. I am not scared. I have to parcel him first.
But still, he's angry only because of me.
Is he gone? See, within 2 days, he will surely come back. What, bro?
Yeah.
He is such a
He is
person.
always like this
Yeah.
only. See here, he has come.
What, man? You forgot the route.
I cannot leave you, my dear friends, in this danger situation. That's why I am. Now, whatever happens, I will be with you guys. Till I correct that girl, I think I should be here only. Why today so late?
What da? You're not even answering anything? See how rude he is? See, all because of you only. If I'm saying anything, it will become a problem.
Okay. Don't talk too much.
Dad always supposes him. If I talk, there's a problem always.
You better be quiet. I will see.
Hey, Christy, what are you doing here now? Have you gone mad? Mother, come here, please. Give it to me.
Excuse me, what do you want?
I know, there is a girl in this apartment.
Are you the owner?
No, I'm living in the next apartment. I'm sure you people will get caught. Definitely you will get
Go
caught.
back. Go to your apartment and come back when we caught, man.
He has got a doubt that we are hiding a girl in our apartment. So he is here to check for that girl.
Did they think about us so cheaply?
Okay,
See,
leave it.
what I'm going to...
Come on, buddy. Why are you getting tense?
Hey,
Please
see,
leave
we
it.
should not leave this
Nothing
like
will
that.
happen.
It will harm you later.
Hey, what they said was right.
What?
Actually, we have a girl here.
Hey, that's a ghost.
Whatever might be. But she is also a girl, right? Don't make it as a big thing. Come on.
Say, but
Relax,
how can they
guys.
talk
Come on.
about us?
Hey, go.
Come on, get
That's
inside.
why I say you don't adopt the spirits. Nothing else. Brother, stay, brother.
Swamiji.
Father, you keep this.
Oh my God. Take care of the children for some time. Your boy has been hounded by the girl spirit.
See, why you're telling her to come?
The spirit is not a simple spirit. Until I tell you, don't let your daughter go near him, okay? If the lady comes, she'll be of a good help.
Then that spirit will come again.
She may not come to your house, but she will disturb your daughter from outside only.
Then okay, let me go. I got some work in the church.
Father.
Don't worry, my son. Christ will protect you and your family. We'll go.
Okay, come, let's go. Let's go.
Don't worry. I'll come back.
Okay, Father.
Okay,
What?
Let's go.
Tell me
come
what?
with me, I'll tell you.
Even after a struggle, it has been sent out.
Who sent her?
Me? You also.
Aren't you ashamed calling yourself a father?
Am I not looking like a father? You should understand one thing. People coming to the church trusting me and coming. It is my duty to protect them. You know?
Only keeping the cross does not make you father. You should have some blessings also. How will you do? When your girlfriend left and ran away with somebody else, you were the one who ran out of the city also, isn't it?
Stop. Listen, don't remember me the things which I wanted to forget.
So?
I had already forgot everything.
Yes, Tunjarama? Before it is dawn, you should come back home. Okay. Yeah, Mary's house only. I shall not tell, but you should not tell also. Okay, shall I keep the phone?
If you want to come, I'll drop you at the junction.
Why, you want me to ditch me on the way? No, you can go. I'll go all by myself. Don't worry about me.
Come.
Yeah, you can go, man. Go.
Oh. See, listen, I'm a church father, not your friend.
So, you want me to call you a father? Go away from here, man. Go. Make it fast, man.
Brother, come, let's go. Brother, start the vehicle. Talking to you is of no use.
Be careful when you're taking him. Listen,
What?
be careful of the cops on the way. Cops are checking fathers only
Shut
nowadays.
your filthy mouth. That's enough.
Ah,
That's why
okay.
you're wandering on the street.
Okay, you may go now. Go.
What happened?
Now listen. Try to reach there on time and try to get all the money we need to take from them. Okay, don't waste the time and try to come back fast. Why are you loitering on the street without any job to be done? There is nothing less in your laughter, man. Get in, man. We'll try to go there fast. Get in.
coconut and
We'll
fruits are
see.
yet to be
Okay, I'll
taken.
keep everything inside. Don't worry. You go.
Swamiji, you're not coming?
I need to meet somebody here. You go.
Okay, Swamiji.
Who's this knocking like that? Yeah, coming. Who are you? Hello, hey man, stand there. What are you looking there? Is it your house? Hello, I am asking you. You're not answering me.
Hey,
Hey Sudhir, hey, someone came here. Come here. Look at that. He is standing and sleeping. Hello. Ask him who
Stop,
is
buddy.
he.
He's a Swamiji, it seems.
He is some fraud, came to cheat, and you believe that. Like that, other people will say, but I won't say, sir.
where is she?
Who?
The girl who is with you, where is she?
Now I know. This is all that man's setup. Okay, where is other people?
We have already told lot of times there is no girl here.
You can't cheat me like you've been cheating other people. I have come here only after knowing that somebody else is here. She's only visible to you. She's not visible to anybody else. Where is she? Where is she?
Swamiji, we are telling you, right? No girl is here.
The Almighty has come over here and given this plate to you.
Which mother?
This plate? How you got this?
You have very limited time. I'm again warning you. Call her. Call her now.
I will call her. Hey, dear lady spirit, come out. Where
Hey.
are you?
Hey, where are you?
Spirit. Hey, spirit buddy.
Where is she?
I can't find her here.
Hey, where is Stephen? He's not seen.
Yeah, he's also missing. Just call him.
Yeah, wait, I will dial.
Here he is coming.
Here he is. Where were you, man?
I was in auntie's flat.
Where is that girl?
That girl was here only. Who is this old man? Your relation or what?
He is here to meet that girl.
Oh, that's girl's relative.
As you are here in this apartment, she would have disappeared. I'll call her again, okay? Little Spirit.
After death, the spirit go out for salvation. That is why in every community there is a prayer after death. Our body is just a nest, but the life in it is very precious, very sacred.
See, Sami, what I heard was when humans become ghosts, then they will start hurting and disturbing people.
Like there are good people and bad people, there are good spirit and bad spirit also. She is a good spirit. She did not disturb anybody till the time she was alive. And all those good habits are now making her a good spirit.
But one thing, she has forgotten everything. Name, place, and everything she has forgotten. How this would have happened?
Even I am not able to understand that. I have seen spirits which are unable to cover and I have sent them also. I have given peace to many people also. And what to do with this girl, I am not able to come to a conclusion.
So for however long I am here, I have to be like this without knowing anything about myself.
The
is
God
it?
has sent me and these people for you only. Don't worry, God will definitely help you. You just forget everything. There is a remedy for every trouble.